Hi, today we are going to talk about product order tracker. This is a simple template which will help keep track of all the products that are getting ordered in your business. As you can see, we have a database at the bottom which lists the order ID, the customer name, the order date, the product details, the quantity, prices, and all the information that you would like to track. And if you scroll to the top, we have a summarized view of all the products. So the first view is the all order section, which shows all the orders that have been placed in the business. Then there are pending orders. So as you can see, we have added a status as pending in the filter. So if any status of the order is pending, it will appear over here. Then we have shipped orders. So any of the orders which are under the shipped status, it will appear over here. And then we have classified the different orders as per the different payment methods. So we have put in PayPal and credit card. So as you make changes to this particular column, it will automatically reflect over here on the top. So this is a quick way to keep track of all the product orders that are coming onto your business. You can customize this template as per your requirement and make changes as and when you wish to do so. But this is all that I've had to discuss today. And one more thing I want to highlight about is PDF output. PDF output is a tool that helps you generate PDF documents in bulk utilizing Google Document as a template, and it works with Google Sheet as well as Notion database as a source of database. And below I have added a video of how you can generate invoice documents in bulk utilizing the things that I just mentioned. You can reach out to me at notion for my use @gmail.com if you have any queries or if you need any specific template for your business. I'll be happy to assist you on this further. Thank you. Have a great day.